Complicated? Not strong enough? Unstable? With number 0, no problem anymore. It is a magnetic phone holder. It is also a dynamic animation masterpiece, a bottle of air freshener. Whether you are talking, navigating, or just play music. Number 0 has built-in creative closed-circuit magnets. 10 by the iPhone 12 together? No problem. Bumpy road? No problem. Even when the phone is firmly attached, it can also be rotated 360 degrees. What's more, the closing magnetic field will not affect the signal or charging efficiency. Completely hands-free. In addition, iPhone 12 has an internal magnet, so no need to install MagSafe. Gently let it go. When you remove the phone, you can find a unique dynamic masterpiece. When the driving fan rotates 44 times, the animated kit will rotate only one circle at uniformly rotating speed. The reducer slows down the flash image to help you enjoy every minute and every second. In order to meet customized demands, number 0 provides more than 10 patterns for you to pick from. Yes, you can also design your own patterns to create unique gifts for your families or friends. No screws required, integral molding. Easy to disassemble and assemble. 3 to 4 drops of essential oil or perfume. You will enjoy the fresh, fragrant air in your car immediately. Attach it to car air vent. Even the weakest wind can drive the fan to diffuse the aroma to entire car quickly. Number 0 is the world's first dynamic magnetic car phone holder. Whether it's in your vehicle or on your table, it's an eye-catchy decor. And it can also be your fingertip toy to add some fun after a long day of tedious work. This is number 0. Inject dynamic to your life.
Night driving can be a struggle for anyone. Darkness limits our vision. Lanmodo Vest M1 Night Vision Dashcam offers ultimate night vision to make night driving as clear as day. With the 8-inch large screen presents bright images in high resolution. Lanmodo guarantees a crystal clear view in the dark. With the latest low-light imaging system and 7-layer glass lens, we have improved the night vision performance to a new level in total darkness, allowing you to get stable and clear images in various low-light conditions, whether in gloomy roads, dark tunnels, rainy days, or snowy nights. The separated front camera is adjustable to reduce the glare. The broader view angle and ultra-low view distance provide unparalleled depth of vision at night. The night vision rear camera allows easy driving and parking in the dark and in pouring rain. We offer 3 easy installation methods, which can be fitted in any car models. And the front camera can be adjusted to any angle as you need. We are Lanmodo, dedicated to night vision technology. Over the past years, we have delivered millions of miles of safer driving experience to drivers around the world. Now we are bringing the upgrading system, Lanmodo Vest M1, building on our 4 years of dedication to creating the best night vision dashcam. Our mission is to safeguard your life on the road, day and night. Drive with confidence. Drive with Lanmodo.
Hello, backers. In 2018, we appeared in front of you, dreaming of an innovation in wiper blades that hadn't changed for nearly 100 years. The result was sweet, debuting brilliantly and ranking number 1 of all time in the wiper blade category on crowdfunding platforms, such as Kickstarter. Total funding amount, $395,000. 569 cities in 84 countries worldwide. 5,522 sponsors. Founded KIMBLADE for the first time in 2015. Prototype development. KIMBLADE was complete after years of field testing. All of our team members cheered. When the products were delivered to all over the world and the delivery was finished, our new task, KIMBLADE Upgrade, based on the experiences and requests of the backers who supported us. We researched and researched again, and right now I'm back with the results. Let me introduce KIMBLADE Nano, the 3rd generation.
We have reviewed the comments of our backers, which can be summarized in 3 ways. First, incorrect size and incorrect delivery of the vehicle's wiper model. Second, product performance deterioration due to use without cleaning and conditioning the windshield. Third, wiper silicone durability. Let's start with the conclusion. None of these problems are in the 3rd generation.
Size and delivery problems that did not match the vehicle. Use the wiper finder on the KIMBLADE website. Check the wiper code that matches your car model and write the code that matches your car on the Kickstarter order page. And you're done. Delivery is via FedEx Air Freight. Fast, accurate, and to your door. Product performance degradation due to the use of wipers without windshield conditioning. Car windshields are susceptible to dust and debris. Using a wiper on glass contaminated with fine dust, tire dust, tar, insects, etc. degrades the wiper's performance. Abrasion of the glass also prevents safe driving visibility in rainy weather.
So what should I do?
Using a Windshield Treatment Kit improves the condition of a tarnished windshield. Equipped with KIMBLADE, the world's first square blade, cleans the glass surface evenly and neatly. All these packages are for the same amount as the first funding. Did you already buy it? Then get the refill blade. Choose the color you like without changing the frame. Easy. Replacement. Improved durability of wiper silicone.
Is silicone bound to be vulnerable to physical wear and tear? The answer is CNT reinforced blades.
By adding a carbon nanotube reinforcing agent that is 100 times stronger than iron. In addition to raising the limit of durability of silicone rubber, it has a final durability that can withstand the harshest environments.
Finally, KIMBLADE is back with the KIMBLADE.
KIMBLADE has a remarkably high cleaning power due to the contact of the line, not the face. The surface area that meets the glass is small, allowing the force to be concentrated.
The world's first rectangular blade is applied. With smooth direction changing, it improves the noise of the wiper caused by friction. With the water repellent function of the blade contained in special silicone, providing a safer and clearer driving field of view in rainy weather. We at KIMBLADE have improved upon our previous wiper blades with a new generation, with constant research and development.
Based on advanced funding, know-how, and constructive feedback from you, we want to make a project that could be more satisfying to all of our backers. KIMBLADE, second project, only on Kickstarter.
We believe if there were improved communication between drivers, the road can become a better place. This idea led to our creation of CarWink, your faithful little driving companion. CarWink reinvents the way drivers communicate with each other.
CarWink, pedestrian crossing.
The hands-free voice control function allows for a safe and convenient communication between drivers. Fueled by the power of the sun, CarWink's solar charging means you will never have to worry about running out of juice. Built on the foundation of driver interaction, CarWink is here to relay your message and enhance driver relationships.
CarWink. Thank you.
We aim to minimize road rage and stress for drivers. Let CarWink's smile open up your horizons and show you a brand new adventure. What amazing journeys will you create with your CarWink?
Are you tired of this problem? BAGO is the solution, and it's easy to use. Simply place the anchor piece in your glove box and shut the door. Then secure the other end to the top of your bag and tighten the strap, leaving the bottom of the bag still resting on the floor. BAGO keeps the top of your bag pointed up, preventing spills and allowing you to focus on driving, knowing your cargo is secure. BAGO works on other types of bags as well. When it's time to put BAGO away, just open the glove box and put it away. You can order your BAGO today on Indiegogo In Demand.
Do you want to measure your car's performance? Say hello to RaceBox Mini, the first 25Hz GPS timing device on the market. Measuring your performance stats has never been easier or more precise. Whether you want to determine the acceleration of your car or analyze its performance around your favorite circuit, there's no better way to do it than with RaceBox. Mount, connect, go. Easily figure out how fast you accelerate to 60, or cover the notorious quarter mile with our predefined modes, or dig even deeper with the option of setting your own custom set points. There are no limitations, unlike with other products on the market. Experience complete freedom with RaceBox. If corner carving is more your style, we've got your back. RaceBox is the first device of its kind that adds a lap timing functionality on top of the drag one. An excess of 1,500 predefined tracks are at your disposal right away. And if that's not enough, you can always create your own custom one. We guarantee a seamless data logging experience that you will get a kick out of. And if you want a taste of something completely new, get ready for RaceBox Predictive Mode. Available for both drag and track disciplines, the Predictive Mode uses an advanced self-learning algorithm that predicts and shows your times on the fly. Our main goal with the RaceBox Mini is not only to give you an outstanding data logger device, but to help you improve and sharpen your driving skills as well. The dedicated mobile app will present all the gathered data from the device in a simple and easy-to-read way, helping you beat the clock every time you hit the track or drag strip. With the Mini, you also get a device that is specifically made for usage not only on cars, but on motorcycles as well. And we're not talking about just plopping it down and setting off. The unit introduces specially developed features for this use, among all the standard ones, of course, such as precise lean angle values and many more. As it stands, the RaceBox Mini is the only device on the market with such a wide range of features and usability. And just when you think, that's it, cars, motorcycles, in-depth analysis, 25Hz GPS, we are going a step further. For the first time ever, you'll be able to measure the performance of literally everything you can think or dream of. The best part? You can share, compare, and challenge your friends directly through the app. Everything is backed up by top-of-the-line hardware and software, designed and developed with an outstanding level of quality control inside the European Union. RaceBox Mini, the most advanced and precise 25Hz vehicle timing gadget you can buy today. Be among the first to experience it, now for a fraction of the price